Cancer rarely announces its arrival. It creeps in quietly, often unnoticed, until the signs become impossible to ignore. World Cancer Day, observed every 4th of February, draws global attention to a disease that continues to claim millions of lives, many from cancers that are preventable or treatable when detected early. In Nigeria, the reality is even more troubling. Late diagnosis, fear, stigma, and the high cost of treatment mean many patients seek medical help only after the disease has progressed. Breast, cervical, and prostate cancers remain among the most common and deadliest, leaving families devastated and communities in mourning.
Some people say it's a death sentence, but the good thing is that some cancers can be curable or even prevented if they present on time. Okay, I know it's not easy. Cancer management can really be a bit heavy on the patients. I mean, it has to do with a lot of grief, pain, resilience, and hope. We should individualize these patients' cares. We should individualize their treatment, their problems, and make ourselves available to help them.
Yet, behind every diagnosis are stories of courage, resilience, and survival. Stories that challenge the belief that cancer is always a death sentence.
Mom Josephine asked me to be attending the meeting. Through that meeting, I came to the knowledge of cancer. Since then, I've been, preventing my skin. The experience is very, very bad. Some severe pains. At times, I won't be able to sleep. I will not be able to sleep. When that chemotherapy is done initially, maybe some few minutes, you start paining, you swell up. The thing will swell up. You bring out series of color. You can see now there's nothing there now. The chemotherapy have, clear everything. The one at the back, it got to some weeks or months before it can be healed with treatment, with drugs and injection.
Health experts say fear and silence remain some of cancer's deadliest weapons. They stress that regular screening, open conversations, and community support can significantly improve survival rates.
The cancer diagnosis is not a death sentence. If you catch it early, you can cure. If we have the screening culture, it will go a long way in the treatment outcome. Then our mindset, there is no excuse for ignorance. We should all go out there, be our brother's keeper. You see people in this condition, or you've gone through this treatment and you saw that your treatment was successful, and you see somebody else in this kind of situation, encourage them and push them out. So by working on the modifiable risk factors that we have power over, we will have a better chance of preventing these cancers.
As the world marks World Cancer Day, the message is clear. Replace fear with knowledge, silence with action, and stigma with support. Because in the fight against cancer, awareness can mean survival, and early action can mean life. In Lagos, for News Central, Emmanuel Olubobokun.